Hello guys, today I wanted to talk about Miller's law in product design. Earlier we spoken on Hicks law, Fitts law and Jacobs law. Now I am going to talk about Miller's law. Miller's law is nothing but if the items are more than 7, user will not remember those items. So we should be grouping, either we should be eliminate that items. So we should not overload them with the more items. If you want to keep more items, we have to segregate, or else if there is not priority list, we can eliminate those lists from the main list, right? So for example, you have a list, more than 7 lists, right? User cannot hold all the items, they cannot remember all these items. So or else you have to eliminate by discuss with your team or your stakeholders or clients, or else if they want to use all these items, use some headings for, if we have to segregate for 4 items, 1 heading, for another 4 items, another heading. We have to use this kind of format in the product design, right? This is one thing for you. Just I am sharing my ideas, how does it work, Miller's law actually in product design, okay? For example, there is a number, mobile number, for example, I am writing my number. By writing this, user cannot hold your number easily. That's why we have to segregate like this. Yeah. They can read easily and they can remember. We have to use this kind of, for example, I am going with mobile. There is a lot of data. Each section has heading and some content. And this is another section, heading and some content. And heading, some content. That looks messy, right? So we have to segregate clearly. In the first page, we have to segregate into 2 pages, 1 and 2. In the first page, we have to use only list. By clicking on this arrow or the list, you will show the details. These details here. Then they can access your data easily. By having like this, it is not user friendly. Also, user will be confused. This kind of small things impacts the user experience. We should not take it as a light. Everything matters. Small change, small icon, small iteration will make a lot of impact in product design. We should not forget that. Yeah, yes, like this we have to apply Miller's law in our design, right? So if there is more data, we have to segregate clearly. If there is more list, we have to segregate clearly. Or else, if there is a list, priority list, we can eliminate by speaking with clients and the team. These are, these things should be followed in our design. Then only we can make impactable, experienced product. Yeah, this is what I would like to share for this video. Life is short, enjoy your moment, be honest, never give up. Thank you.